Hello and welcome back to another exciting video of class 3 EVS, and today we are going to start the very first lesson of our term second, and the name of the lesson is Moments of the Earth. Till now in our last term we have learnt about plants, animals, maps, then a globe we have learnt about earth, soil and many other topics we have learnt. But today we are going to learn about our mother earth. Right now we live in Usmanabad, right? So where that Usmanabad comes in Maharashtra. Maharashtra is in India, India is in Asia, and Asia is on our earth. So we are going to learn about this earth and its movements. Now what is the word movement is there? So movement of the earth, this lesson covers the points like first is movement of the earth, what is the movement of the earth, then what is rotation, what is revolution, what is solar year, what is leap year, what are the seasons. Okay, those things we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay, so first word or the first term that comes in your mind, that what is movement. ये मूवमेंट मतलब क्या होता है? मूवमेंट मतलब हम थोड़ी ना किसी के साथ में कुछ क्या बोलते हैं उठाव करने वाले वो काइंड वाला मूवमेंट है या क्या है? सो दिस मूवमेंट रिफर्स टू थ्री टर्म्स, दैट इज अ स्पीड यानी कि चाल यानी कि वेग, मोशन, मोशन मीन्स गति, हाउ इट इज मूविंग, एंड मूवमेंट मीन्स हरकत, क्या हरकतें कर रही है. सो हु इज डूइंग दोज ऑल दीज हरकत्स एंड ऑल दैट? So that we are going to learn in our this lesson. Okay, so are you ready for that? I hope you all are ready. Let's get started. So now you have to observe this picture. Many of you love playing basketball, many of you love playing volleyball, football, and if you are loving those games, you might love this trick also. So where you take a ball and rotate it or spins it on your finger. So in first picture you can see one boy is trying to rotate that ball, okay, or spin that ball. But in the second one, that girl has control on that ball and she is doing it quite nicely. So what we are observing in this picture? What is the thing that is moving? What is the thing that is spinning? What is spinning over here? So ball is spinning, right? You can see in that picture girl's finger is steady, it's constant, and ball is moving around on that finger, but around one virtual line, one pink line is there. You can see that pink line. आप सब लोग pink line देख पा रहे हो? उस pink line के भीतर, okay, around that line it is moving, but बाद में आपको होंगे वहां पे तो लाइन है ही नहीं. अच्छा, तो ये लाइन को हम दोबारा से पढ़ेंगे. लाइक हियर ऑब्जर्व अगेन सम टू मोर पिक्चर्स आर देयर. वन इज टेबल टॉप स्पिन, अपना भौरा या फिर भिंगरी कहते हैं ना, दैट इज देयर. एंड इन अनदर पिक्चर वन कॉइन इज देयर विच इज स्पिनिंग. सो हियर यू कैन सी वो जो भिंगरी है वो कैसे घूम रही है. दैट टॉप इज देयर, हाउ इट इज मूविंग, okay, how it is spinning? It is spinning in particular direction, right? वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह वो क्या हो रहा है, और उसका जो नोक है नीचे की, the bottom top, it is constant, right? And it is spinning. In a second picture also coin is spinning, but it is spinning around one particular line. You can see here one line is there ना, उस line के इधर उधर ही वो इर्द गिर्द ही वो क्या कर रहा है, स्पिन कर रहा है. इट इज स्पिनिंग अराउंड दैट ओ इमेजिनरी लाइन, राइट? उसका जो क्या है वो इमेजिनरी लाइन. हियर आल्सो इन सेकंड पिक्चर यू कैन सी दैट इमेजिनरी लाइन, जो वर्टिकल लाइन है, अराउंड दैट लाइन इट इज स्पिनिंग. सो व्हाट इज दैट लाइन? दैट लाइन इज कॉल्ड एक्सिस. बेटा क्या कहना है? एक्सिस, AXIS, एक्सिस. एक्सिस बैंक पता है? हाँ, लाइक दैट इट इज एक्सिस ऑफ योर spinning thing. So what you noticed here, both objects are spinning on an imaginary line. जो pink वाला line था, the line which was vertical, the line which was pink was the imaginary line. So actually वहां पे line है क्या कोई? no line is there. We had drawn that line. हमने वो line बनाई है, and then only we can see हाँ it is moving, so that line must be there. So that imaginary line is there, and that imaginary line around which an object rotates is called axis. What it is called? Axis. So imaginary line. Imaginary मतलब क्या? What is meant by imaginary? Imaginary means which is in our imagination, which is not real. जो real नहीं है, we are just assuming it, we are just imagining it that it is there. Okay, like many things are there that we imagine, but they are not exist in real world. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो हम imagine करते हैं. Like we imagine, yes, I will become a powerful, I can fly, I can do that, I can do this. So imagination, हम बहुत सारी चीजें imagine करते हैं. So that is the thing. So imaginary line around which an object rotates is called axis. What is the spelling of axis? A-X-I-S, axis. Okay, understood? The first term we have learned is axis. Axis, what is axis? Axis is an imaginary line on which object rotates. Got it? Okay. Now, so next question is, see here, this is one boy is there which is also rotating. हम कभी कभी खेलते खेलते रोटेट करते हैं ना, we also rotates. Likewise, it is also rotating around one particular axis. So all the things, those who spins, they have imaginary line that is called axis. So this was about small things like ball हो, भवरा हो, या फिर ourself when we rotate, we have particular axis. But as we are learning about our topic Earth, so the next question that should arise in your mind, does our Earth spins or does our Earth rotates? So what will be your answer? Come on, think. क्या हमारी पृथ्वी, अर्थ मीन्स पृथ्वी, धरनी, माता, क्या वो स्पिन करती है? Does it rotate? So the answer is yes. Yes, it rotates. It rotates on an imaginary line, which is the axis of our Earth. So the spinning moment of the Earth around its own axis is called rotation. What it is called? Rotation. What is the spelling of rotation? R-O-T-A-T-I-O-N. That is rotation. Understood? So the first question that came to our mind was, क्या ये पृथ्वी घूमती है? हम तो जगह पे, अगर घूमती है तो हम तो जगह पे, हमारा घर इसी दिशा में है और उसी दिशा में रहता भी है. So how this earth rotates? As we are, हम कहाँ पे रहते हैं अर्थ के अंदर? No, we live on earth. Okay, so this earth rotates, but it's a continuous process. That is why we don't feel it. Okay, but the spinning moment of the earth around its own axis is called rotation, and that is what we are going to learn in this lesson. What is rotation? What happens because of rotation? What are the causes and what causes this rotation? मतलब उससे क्या होता है? That also we are going to learn in this lesson. So the spinning moment of the earth is called rotation. Now, अच्छा, सिर्फ हमारी पृथ्वी ही रोटेट करती है? Only earth rotates? Does moon rotate? Okay, does other planets and star rotates? So answer is yes. All celestial bodies in the universe are moving, they are spinning, they are rotating, they are revolving. Okay, so answer is yes. All celestial bodies in the universe, they move, they spin, they rotate. Now the question, अरे सर ने ये नया वर्ड क्या लिया? What is this celestial? So celestial means objects that are found in space, such as sun, moon, planets, other stars. Okay, now space मतलब क्या? Space means outside world of our earth. Okay, जहाँ पे all atmosphere and all those things are there ना, जहाँ पे atmosphere वगैरह कम होता है, पृथ्वी के बहुत सारा दूर बाहर जाने के बाद में योर अर्थ विल लुक लाइक स्मॉल बॉल बाय विच यू प्ले क्रिकेट ना, उतना सा दिखता है आवर अर्थ. So we have many objects, we have many planets, we have many stars that are quite larger in size as compared to our earth. So those all bodies are found in space, and those all bodies are called celestial bodies. What is the spelling of celestial? C-E-L-E-S-T-I-A-L, celestial. Okay, celestial means what? Celestial means objects that are found in space. So which objects are found there? Sun is there, moon is there, planets are there, stars are there, nowadays satellites are there. Okay, so these are celestial bodies which are present in a space. Understood? Okay, let's go forward. Now, rotation of our earth. Now we have learnt about direction. So how many directions are there? 12 directions are there, right? No, absolutely wrong. Only 4 main directions are there. How many directions are there? 4 main directions are there. Which are those? North, south, west, east. Okay, so these 4 directions are there. These are main direction, which are also known as cardinal direction. Also we have learnt already. And in between those 4 direction, we have 4 more direction. Those are called intermediate direction, like northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. Right. So when our earth rotates, okay, it rotates around its own axis. Okay, and that spinning moment is called rotation. But because of that imaginary line, because of that axis, we have 2 points. अगर कोई बॉल हो या कोई चीज हो, when we have an imaginary line going straight from the center of that particular thing, then we get 2 point. एक जो ऊपर से होगा, एक जो नीचे से होगा. Okay, so those 2 points we also have for our earth. Those are called North Pole and South Pole. The imaginary line through which goes through our earth, that makes 2 separate points on our earth. Those are North Pole, which is at the top of the earth, and another one is the South Pole, which is at the bottom of the earth. मतलब कोई गोल होगा, उसमें से जो imaginary line that will passes through, at the top it will have one small point that is a North Pole, and at the down we have South Pole. So 2 poles, understood? Because of that axis we got 2 poles. Understood? We have learned 3 terms till now: axis, rotation, celestial bodies. 4th term came into play, that is pole. North pole, south pole. North pole and south pole, these 2 poles form the axis of our earth. Now our earth rotates, spins, but in which direction it spins, how it spins. Okay, so our earth rotates in the direction from west to east. West to east. Like, so suppose you are standing, stand vertically, and if you want to know direction and how our earth rotates, so just think your head is your north pole and your legs are your south pole, your right hand is your west and your left hand is your east. So our earth rotates from west to east, west to east. Understood? So this was about the rotation of our earth. So in which direction, कौन सी दिशा से कौन सी दिशा में our earth rotate करता है? Our earth rotate from west to east. And what happens because of that rotation? Then if it is rotating, then how much time it is taking? उसको time कितना लगता है? That also we should know. So how much time does earth take to complete a rotation? So our earth on which we live, that takes near about, means exactly, it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. One rotation means एक पूरा चक्कर, if I am facing you and if I have to turn again, अगर मैं पूरा रोटेट होके वापस आपके सामने आ जाऊंगा, दैट मीन्स आई हैव कंप्लीटेड वन रोटेशन. सो लाइकवाइज अर्थ, if earth is taking a rotation, to complete one rotation, a single rotation, earth takes 24 hours. 24 hours. So ये 24 hours हम लोगों को कहीं तो पता है, कहीं पे पता है. हाँ, और one day is of 24 hours only, right? उसमें डे भी होता है, नाइट भी होता है, that is 24 hours. So क्या ये डे एंड नाइट एंड रोटेशन 24 आवर्स दे आर कोरिलेटेड? क्या इसका कुछ संबंध है? वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न दैट सून एंड यू आर गोइंग टू नो दैट सून. सो व्हाट हैपेंस? सो द टाइम ड्यूरेशन दैट इज 24 आवर्स दैट इज टेकन बाय आवर अर्थ टू कंप्लीट वन रोटेशन, दैट ड्यूरेशन इज कॉल्ड सोलर डे. Our day, that is 24-hour day, that is why we have a day and which is of 24 hours. Hours pronunciation is the same. Okay, so one day, that is solar day, is of 24 hours. एक दिन कितने घंटों का होता है? 24 घंटों का. एंड द सेम टाइम इज टेकन बाय आवर अर्थ टू कंप्लीट वन रोटेशन. नाउ हाँ, तो फिर 24 आवर्स तो सही है, उसमें डे भी है, नाइट भी है. सो व्हाट इज द इफेक्ट ऑफ दिस अर्थ रोटेशन? दैट वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न. सो व्हेन अर्थ रोटेट्स, लाइक इट इज, सपोज दिस इज, आई हैव अर्थ इन माय हैंड एंड इट इज रोटेटिंग. सो व्हाट हैपन? बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रोटेशन, उसकी वजह से हमें क्या लगता है? बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रोटेशन सन अपीयर्स टू राइज इन द ईस्ट. मतलब इधर से सूरज उग गया है एंड सेट्स टू वेस्ट. Our earth rotation is from west to east, but because of this rotation we see that sun rises to east and sets to west. So this is happening. Why this is happening? This is happening because of rotation. Now you see, अगर यहाँ पे sun है, यहाँ पे earth है, so it is rotating. So this part is coming in front of sun. Okay, so the part of the earth which is coming in front of the sun, which has a day, but suppose this is earth and this part is not coming in front of the earth, only this sun. Okay, this sun is there and this earth is rotating, so only this part is coming in front of this sun. So जहां पे sunlight पड़ रहा है, that will become your day, and the part where rays are not reaching, sun rays वहां पे जा नहीं रहे, so that will become your night time. So the part of the earth that facing the sun, that is the daytime, and other part which is not facing the sun, which has night time or sleeping time or favorite time, that is night time. So understood why this day and night happens? They are happening because of the rotation. Now assume rotation stopped, पृथ्वी ने घूमना बंद हो गया. Now sun is there, earth is there, they are still there only. So the part which is facing the earth, they will have continuous day only, and the part which is not facing the sun, they will have nights only. ऐसा होगा तो अच्छा लगेगा? No, it will not be good, because कुछ लोगों को सिर्फ दिन ही मिलेगा, कुछ लोगों को सिर्फ रात ही मिलेगी. That is not the fair choice. Okay, so understood what are the effects of rotation? Rotation causes sun to appear in the east and sets to west, and because of that we get daytime and we get night time also. Understood? Very good. So formation of a day and night. Now here in this picture you can see sun is there, which is a constant. Sun is there, which is a constant, and sun क्या कर रहा है? It is giving us a light, limitless light. Okay, countless light it is giving us, and वो light कहाँ पे आ रहा है? It is being focused on our earth. That is coming, okay, on our earth. So the face of our earth, suppose this earth is there now, which is facing the sun, that will have a day, and the part of the earth which is not facing, that will have night only. So here two separate new word have come. Equator. What is this word equator? Now rotation axis, the imaginary line which is passes through our earth vertical, that is your axis, but the imaginary line which is passing horizontally from the center of earth, that is your इक्वेटर. इक्वेटर मतलब जो इक्वली दो पार्ट में अर्थ को कट करता है. लाइक वी हैव वाटरमेलन, तरबूजा होता है, उस पे हम क्या करते हैं, watermelon, you know watermelon, watermelon. We have knives also. Using that knife we cut that watermelon into two parts. So same equator is a imaginary horizontal line which cuts your earth into two same pieces or two halves, it is called. Understood how day and night forms? Okay. So what we have learnt in this topic or in this session? So we have learnt about axis. So what is axis actually? So axis is an imaginary line, okay, which is passing through our earth, and our earth rotates around its own axis. So that is rotation came. Now how much time does our earth take to complete one rotation? So it takes 24 hours, and because of 24 hours we have a day also and we have a night also, and because of that only it appears that sun is rising to east and it sets to west. So I hope whatever the points we have covered today are clear to you. Once again, go through your lesson, keep reading, keep learning, stay home, stay happy, take care, bye bye. Thank you.